7228 Golden Falcon close of escrow walkthrough. As you can see, there's still items that the seller needs to either remove or compensate for us to remove. I ran the irrigation in the front and the back to make sure that it has been repaired. I did not see a single leak. I took some photos of all of the sprinklers and all of that to show. We have photos of the roof repair as well. I'm going to go through each and every one of these cabinets and make sure there's nothing crazy hiding in there. So as you can see, it's wet. I just ran the sprinklers. Everything looked fine. This has been capped off per the repair request. So this is also on the repair request. The window is up right now. It's stayed up, so it's not a concern. This is the window. It's all the way up. It's not falling down. It has been corrected. It is not a safety concern. Need a shower rod. Okay, so that's the walkthrough.